टाटा आजकल अपनी सेफ्टी को लेकर बहुत नेक्स्ट लेवल के काम कर रही है। इसने अपनी नई टियागो पर रियल वर्ल्ड सिनेरियो में जो क्रैश टेस्ट हो सकता है वो अप्लाई किया है। देखिए इस वीडियो में इन्होंने किस तरह से इसको क्रैश टेस्ट किया है, देखते हैं।
So today, for the very first time in India, we are putting a hatchback through something far more extreme, and not just any hatchback. A Tiago CNG. Engineered with twin-cylinder technology. Engineered for the realities of everyday. The challenge begins with one of the most unforgiving real-world crash scenarios. A direct frontal impact into a rigid pole. The kind that can happen on roads. Against a lamppost, a tree, or a divider standing exactly where you never expected it. But sometimes, real accidents do not end with the first crash. Sometimes the first impact throws the vehicle into another danger entirely. Another lane, another vehicle, another collision. Because one impact can quickly become two. So we push the Tiago further. The same car now faces a second high-severity side impact. Two severe crashes. On the same Tiago CNG. And yet, the promise remains intact. Because true safety is not about surviving ideal conditions. It is about protecting families in the unpredictable realities. This is engineering with responsibility. The Next Gen Tiago, built for India's roads. Built for India's families.